everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a super fun video on my top summer essentials, and some of these products I completely love and recommend, and I really wanted to share with you. I'm going to be showing you a lot of products in this particular video. So before we start, I would recommend you to go grab a cup of coffee and have fun with me on this particular video. So the first product on my list is a nice body wash. Oh my god, during summers, having a good body wash or a fragrant soap or whatever fragrant cleanser is so important, because you want to smell fresh all day, and with summer there's so much sweat and dirt and everything. So actually I take bath at least twice on summer days. Now the body wash that I have recently fallen in love with are these lovely body washes by Plum. Oh my god, these smell amazing, guys. I cannot tell you. I have like two variants of these. I have Oopsie Daisy and I have Hawaiian Rumba. I feel like Hawaiian Rumba is a bit better than Oopsie Daisy, but you will like Oopsie Daisy more if you like floral fragrance a bit more. So I've been in love with these body washes and they work well. They're also cruelty free, they're sulfate free, paraben free, so they're fantastic to use. So lovely body washes, and I completely recommend to you this summer. Now, so the next product on my list is a body mist. I feel a body mist is extremely important these days because I can't, honestly at home I can't keep wearing perfume around the whole day. I mean, I do wear perfumes, but I feel a body mist is just better when you're at home the entire day. So the body mist that I recently love, and actually I've been using one of them from quite some time, are White Musk by Body Shop. Guys, I have been using this for like 2 to 3 years now and completely love this fragrance. I actually use it all across the year, and I feel this is wonderful. You're really gonna like this smell. So the other body mist that I recommend is by Plum. This is the Oopsie Daisy body mist. This again has been one of my recent favorites. I've just been using this from 2 months, but trust me, I'm using this almost every day and like around 3 to 4 times easily in a day. So yes, this particular product is also one of my top recommendations for summers if you want to go for a good alternative for perfumes. Now the third recommendation from my end is a talcum powder. Now we all know that a talcum powder was so much used back in the days. Now somewhere or the other, I of course don't like using talcum powder on my face, but this is something that I use right after I take bath, because I feel that it gives you that right amount of freshness for the entire day, and it does absorb sweat as well. So the talcum powder that I like, as you can see, is by Spins. I actually love the smell. Please do comment below if you also like this particular product. This product was used by me, I don't know, for like years now. I can't even say like what 15 years maybe. So yes, completely one of my top favorites for summers. I specifically use this in summers. So the next product that I have with me is this Nivea's Body Deodorizer, that's what it's called. Now, I know that a lot of people use roll-ons, but to be very honest, I do like roll-ons as well, but I feel that this product somehow works better. Now, this particular product smells amazing, guys, and you can use this, in your underarms right after you take bath, and trust me, there'll be no sweat, there'll be no odor, and I think this particular product is really good. You can actually use this all across the year. It's not necessary that you only need to use it, during summers, but in summers, I think this is an absolute essential. Now, you can use this right after you use your roll-on as well, but if you use this, I don't think you really need roll-on. So yes, guys, now next on my list, I have 3 products which are, more from a perspective of sun protection. Now, basically during summers, I kind of like my sun protection game goes, a level up. Like I usually tend to wear only sunscreen, but during summers, I tend to use a body lotion which has SPF, and I also tend to use a lip balm which has SPF. Like I do not leave my house without an SPF, and even within my house, I actually use SPF. This is like without fail, and guys, please do use SPF. And the products that I'm going to recommend to you right now is, for your sunscreen, you can go with this product by Requil. Completely love this sunscreen. Guys, this is oxybenzone and OMC free. This is paraben free, and also this particular sunscreen claims that it gives you 6 hours of protection, which is pretty good. Do remember that you need to reapply your sunscreen after a couple of hours. Also, this particular product is really lightweight on your skin, so even oily skin people are going to enjoy this product. This product is really good, a complete must-have from my end. Now next is, as I just mentioned, that I use SPF in my body lotion as well. So the body lotion that I want to recommend to you guys is this Biovera by Biotique. This product, guys, oh my god, I was actually, I usually go, jogging right in the morning, and I was seeing a lot of tan, getting developed around my arms, and I was like, okay, now what do I do? So I started using this particular product, and the tanning has reduced. Now, of course, I do follow some other tan removal, techniques, but using a body lotion is never a bad idea. The last product that I want to tell from a sun protection perspective is this lip balm by Sebamed. This also has SPF in it. Oh my god, this particular lip balm, guys, it smells amazing, and you just want to keep reapplying it all across the day. This has SPF 30. This is a really good lip balm, guys. It also keeps your lips extremely hydrated, and Sebamed is a very well-known clinical brand. So yes, completely recommend this product as well. Now, the next product on my list is a must have products, and I think this is a product that everybody is looking out, whoever has already got tanned. Now, this particular product is a tan removal scrub by Biotique. This is their Bio Papaya scrub. Guys, I love this scrub. I've been using this for 6 to 7 years, and this has been my constant scrub ever since. Now, this is not just for summer. I kind of use it all across the year, but during summers, I tend to use it more than, once a week. I use it like about twice a week. And this particular product, guys, it's very light, it's mildly exfoliating, and also it does remove tan. Now, this is the only product which, the moment I use it, I get this sudden glow on my face, and I'm like, wow, this still works. So please do invest in this. This is not very expensive, and guys, trust me, this particular product, I swear by, it's amazing. Now, the next on my list is these funky colored nail paints. Now, I love these kind of nail paints during summers. Actually, my mom is a huge fan of nail paints, and this is where I get it from. I actually like, I like seeing other people with these colors more than putting it on myself. No, I mean, I still do like putting it on myself. But I think these particular colors are really cute, and they're perfect for summers. Now, all of these beautiful colors that you're able to see, I have actually purchased from Nykaa. They were having a sale, and I got all of them for like about 110 rupees. I think they cost about 180 or something. So that was pretty much a steal. I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check Nykaa's nail paints. Oh my god, they're so cute, and they're Halloween free. So the next list of products are actually required once you step out of the house. Now, looking at the condition currently in India, I would actually recommend you to not step out of your house. Like, I am not stepping out of my house until it's like absolutely essential. I only go for a jog in the morning, and that's it. Now, I just want to tell, something to you guys, that if you are stepping out, the number one thing that you need to keep handy is your mask. Now, trust me guys, I wear a mask, and I also keep another, like I think 2 to 3 masks handy in my handbag all the time. I also carry a sanitizer all the time. So these are like the bare minimum essentials that you need when you're stepping out of the house. But I'm also going to be telling you a couple of other essentials that you need thanks to summer. According to me, the most basic products you need when you're stepping out in summer are a scarf, a pair of shades, and a hat or an umbrella basis your preference. I don't have my hat over here. Yeah, this kind of a hat. No, not really. You can have any kind of a hat. Let me wear this. No, I mean, the only reason I wear these kind of hats are because, it actually gives you the protection. The ones, which are really small or something don't really protect you. This gives you at least a little bit of protection. But I think otherwise you can also go with an umbrella. I do carry an umbrella also when it's really hot. Now, the kind of shades that I use for summer are basically these kind of shades, which have some color in them. I really enjoy wearing these kind of shades. I do carry the black shades as well when it's really hot, but otherwise I think these are like perfect. They're stylish, they're fun to wear, and perfect for summer. So these shades are by Scott. You can actually go ahead and check their website out, and you can also check, I think you can also check them out on Myntra. Myntra does have good collection of Scott. I also have this particular scarf. Now I have a lot of scarves, but this particular scarf I feel is like, really summery, and it's like light colored and floral, which is like, oh my god, lovely for summer. So I usually tend to I used to cover my face with scarf, but now that I have my mask, I usually tend to wrap it, all around my neck and, basically protect each and every area that is basically left exposed after I wear my mask, after I wear my hat, and after I wear my shades. Okay, too many products, but you need it. You actually need it, guys. You don't want your face to be burnt because of that, because of the sun and because of the UV rays. To all the people out there, please, please, please protect your skin and protect yourself. Now, another product that I usually tend to carry in my handbag is a pair of rubber bands. I love these kind of rubber bands, guys, which have, this spiral kind of finish. Now, I feel that these keep my hair better rather than those regular rubber bands that you get. Ever since I started using these kind of rubber bands, actually me and my sister both, we have not gone back to that. We just keep using these. Now, these you can find easily, I think, in lifestyle stores. You can also find it in Max or anywhere. And these are really cute, guys. By the way, I love the color. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm actually just going to use it right after this. Now I'm just keeping my hair open right now because I'm under AC, but trust me, with the kind of heat out there, no, I cannot keep my hair open. I need a pair of rubber bands. A pair of rubber bands is absolutely necessary, and I would recommend you guys to not open your hair, otherwise, I don't know, with all the sweat and dirt, my god, like, no. You need a pair of rubber bands. Please have it handy all the time. So, yes guys, now the final product on my list is basically peach iced tea. Now, for those of you who don't know that I love peach iced tea, whichever restaurant I go to, whichever cafe I go to, wherever I go to, I first check with them if they have peach iced tea and I order that. So guys, I'm a huge fan of iced tea, and I'm actually having iced tea right now as I'm shooting also, like right in the middle to keep myself hydrated. And during summers, it's a different kind of feeling when you get to drink iced tea when it's all hot out there. So the iced tea that I've recently been loving is by Nestea. I'm just gonna link the picture over here because I have opened the packet and I don't want you to show the messy open packet. I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can go ahead and try it out if you do like iced tea. They also have another variant in lemon. They have lemon iced tea as well. So guys, you can definitely try that out. Now during summers, whether you have iced tea or not, you're supposed to have a lot of water, and I would suggest you and recommend you to keep a water bottle handy, about those liter bottles which you can refill. So like drink it about 4 times a day and I think you'll be good. So yes guys, I think this is very, 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 very important. Now these were all the essentials that I wanted to show. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, whichever products you feel that you absolutely need, I think some of them I did mention that you do need it. So please go ahead and buy those products. Have a good summer and please avoid going out. That would be my most basic recommendation. If it is possible for you to not step out, don't step out. That is the best suggestion that I can give to you right now. So yes guys, it would also mean a lot to me if you do subscribe to this channel. I would recommend you to completely share this video out there with everyone because I've covered a lot of summer essentials that you absolutely need. And please do hit the notification bell as well so that you're notified every time I'm going to upload a video. And please, 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 please do comment down below because I would like to know all of you guys better and also know your opinion. What do you think about my videos? So thank you so much. See you until next time.